Look, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a website using ClickFunnels. Hey, this is Andrew Woodward, and in this channel, we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business, and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Now, I got this funnel from a friend, and it's a great resource to use for a training like this on how to build a website in ClickFunnels. And just a quick heads up that this isn't a complete ClickFunnels training. You can get a complete training inside ClickFunnels, which I'll show you how to do and how to get that later in this video. Before we get started, I want you to know that I'm going to give you this funnel for free. There's a link in the description that you can click on once you have your ClickFunnels account, and with one click, the funnel will be uploaded into your account and ready for you to use. So before you've clicked the link, you will need a ClickFunnels account. So if you haven't got one yet, click the link below, the one that says Get My Account. And once you have your free trial to ClickFunnels, you can then click the link to upload this funnel into your account. And once you do that, it'll look like this inside your ClickFunnels account. So this is it, all ready to go. So first up, let's do a quick preview of it. So I'll just click over to the open page, and this is what it looks like, a pretty cool looking website. And you'll change each of the elements to your offers, of course. It's a menu at the top, just links to other parts of the page, which you can link to your home page if you have one. But this section linking within the page works pretty well for this type of pages. And look, it's got a number of different features and elements that you will come back to, and as I said, you can update these as you go, and I'll show you how to do some of that. But that's a pretty good looking website, professional looking. It's got everything you need, and as I said, we're going to go through and make some amendments to this page as we go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to add your domain. So we're going to go to settings over here, click on settings. Brings up this page. We're going to go down to domain, and we're going to select our domain. Now, if you don't have one yet, you're in for a treat, because you're going to love ClickFunnels. It's super simple to get your own domain. Once you get your account set up, you'll just go here, click on domains, and go through the process to get your first domain. They're free and paid options. Just go with what works for you, and it's pretty simple, right? And so once you've added your domain there, we just scroll down to the bottom, and we'll save that and update those settings, and that now will link your page to your domain. So that's all pretty simple. So once you have your domain, we need to go through and name all the pages in our funnel. So the way we do that is in the settings, which is down here, and we click and give each one a name. So here we've got this one called home page, and the path is home page with a big number. We just delete that number, and we might call it home. Now I'll probably have to call it home 1 because I've already got one, but you would call it home and update that page. Now you do that for each of the pages. So again, you could do that for down here, terms of service and settings, and it's already called terms of service with this number. So we'll just get rid of the number. I won't go into what that's all about, but terms of service agreement and update the page. So you do that for each of your pages. Okay, so we've got our domain, we've named all the pages in our domain, so they make sense. And now we need to add the pages to the menu, and we need to clone the header. Okay, so if you wanted to add new pages to this website, then you can just do that by clicking on this add new step and add a new page. I won't go into that for now. We're going to use what we've got in here for now, and we're going to start editing the home page. So we just click on edit page. That will open up the editor. There it is. And we'll start working with that. So like I said, the first thing that we want to do is we want to clone this header. We want to get this header working for us. And you can see it's already got a few things, a few links, which are to other sections of this page, like I said at the beginning. But let's just say, for example, that you wanted to link to the terms of service page that we just saw before. So let's go back out for a second, and what we need to do is go into terms of service, and we need to copy this page URL. So we'll copy this and come back into the home page and edit the page again. Wait for that to open, obviously, and then let's just say, for example, that this extra section, we're going to edit that. So we want to link that section, edit section. We want to change that to the terms of service. So we just click into here and we might change where it says extra section to terms of service. And in here, where the hashtag is, we're just going to paste that URL from that page that we copied before, save that, and that now links off to that terms of service page. And once you're happy with this, you add in your logo and you get all that working nicely. What you can do is come over here and save that, and you can save it as a template. So we'll call it test header and save that. And what that means is you can then go and add that to all of your pages of your funnel without having to redo it all. And once you've got all the links working the way you want them to, you can then add that header to every one of your pages, and that will link across nicely to all your pages. So basically you're creating the simple navigation of your page. And you can do the same thing with the footer. If you want to have a footer which might have things like your disclaimer or privacy policy links and maybe some social share buttons, which are really easy to add from the element section and settings, like the menu or the navigation bar that we've just done, save your footer as a template and you can add it to each of the pages. So to do that, you would scroll to the bottom of your page. So this is our home page, remember, and you can see here that this is a footer, and so you could make that the same footer of all of your pages. So again, you would save that. So again, let's call it test footer and save that. And so I could then come into my other pages. So for example, if I went into the so I've got to save that as well. Save the changes we've made to the page. We'll do that first. And then we'll come over here, come out of the home page. And let's just go to that terms of service page and see if we can quickly add that footer that we've just saved. So if it isn't already there. So it is already there. But if I wanted to, I could click on this green section here, add a new section, come over to my sections, and you'll see test footer. So test footer there. If I just click on that, it will add it in. So it's repeated it. So nice and easy to do. I'll leave that without saving. But you would do that for both the header and the footer so that all of these pages had a consistent look and feel. And now your website is starting to really come together and look really cool. So next we need to redirect your domain to your home page. So we go to settings, which is under your account settings here. And what we're going to do is make sure that people can find our page. So we go to domains and click there, and then you can see my domains here, and it's all already set up. But what you would do is you would expand here, or edit here, sorry, and you'll see the default page. So you want to expand on that, and you want to make sure that that links to the home page that you've been creating. So you can see here in my case, I already have a home page set up, but you would scroll through all these pages until you found the one that we were just working on, and that click into here, save it, and that would then become your default page, so that if people got the address of your page slightly wrong, then it would connect through to the correct page. So now you really only need to personalize the pages to the way you want them to look. So we're going to click into the home page again and edit that page. As we do, that's how we make all the changes. And you'll change out these images and the text and add in your story or vision or whatever it is that you want to use to tell your audience about you and your page. Then you can update these sections to the products that you want. So you've got your About Me section, then your products. Add in your products and whatever it is that you're looking to promote, and you're pretty much done. And you can update each section. You can delete what you don't want, add in any other elements that you like, and before you know it, you've got a working website. So make sure your header menu is linked to all the pages that you want it to go to. It's nice and easy to do, like we just saw. Works really well and looks like a really professional website. And it's important to know that your homepage URL will always have home at the end, like you saw before. And that's just a thing that ClickFunnels does. Now, if it annoys you, which it shouldn't, but if it does, then you can go and build a website in WordPress, which I wouldn't suggest you do that for now, as these pages work, just fine. So like I said, you're going to want to change, say, the images. So that's John. We're going to change John. And you would click on that image, come over here to the image box, and you can select whatever image you like. Now, this is not one I would use on this page necessarily, but there you can see how easy that was. Save that, and it's done. So as I said, you go through, personalize the page, change all this up, add in the products you want to deliver, and you're pretty much good to go. Okay, so that's my quick outline of how to build a website in ClickFunnels. Let me know if you've got any questions. Just leave a comment below and we'll come in and answer them for you. And if you want to get ClickFunnels, use the link below to get your free 14-day trial. And by using this link, you'll also get 30-day support from me, plus a bunch of other resources. It's called My Inner Circle, and I'll work with you to get set up and earning sales in the first 30 days. So click the link below and get set up and earning in the first 30 days. And if you haven't got your ClickFunnels trial, then click on Get My Free Trial, and you'll get all set up so you can then use the other link to import this website into your ClickFunnels account for free. So click those links, leave us a comment, let us know what you thought, and let's get building some websites. And so click the links and let's get building your business and your website from today.